Hi, I'm Amit from Lithe Audio. So this week we're at ISE, we're showing our new products which we're going to be launching this year. So this is our Wi-Fi Pro ceiling speaker. So this ceiling speaker has the amplifier, ceiling speaker and various connectivity options all built in. So this is a true all-in-one system. It has Wi-Fi, so you've got full multi-room, has AirPlay 2, so you can use with not just our system on its own, but you can group with other brands that also have AirPlay 2 built in, and we will just be the ceiling speaker part of that system. They have Bluetooth built-in, Chromecast, Spotify Connect, but really key, we have PoE power, which means you can really link in with other control systems. From a power point of view, we have data in and out, so it's a wireless or wired solution. And the other really good thing, these are Wiser speakers. So if you have a full surround sound setup using Wiser, these could be your Atmos Rears, or you could have a full 5.1 in-ceiling surround sound system with this product. So if you want to find out more, visit our website, which is litheaudio.com, or drop us an email. Thanks.